did you do today, Penny? It's nice to see you all covered in a blanket. You look so snug and cozy, Penny. Penny, you're so snug and cozy. Look at you, Penny. Penny, you're so snug. Hello, Penny. Hi. Hi, Penny. Oh, you're so cute. You're so cute and cozy, Penny. Oh, Penny, where you going? Penny, where you going? Where you going, Penny? Oh, Penny, where you going? Where you going, Penny? Penny, where you going? Penny, where you going? Where you going, Penny? Penny. Hey, Penny, where you going? Hello, Penny. I'm filming her dad. Is that okay? I'm filming Penny. I'm not filming you. I'm filming Penny. Is that okay? Hey, Penny. Penny, where are you going? No, Penny. Penny, filming Penny, not you. I'm filming Penny. Good girl, Penny. Good girl, Penny. What are you eating? Good, she's so cute. Penny, are you eating? She's eating her nuts now. Good girl, Penny. Penny, you Penny. Puppy. Good girl. Hi, Puppy. Hi, Puppy. Hi, Puppy. Puppy. Hello, Penny. Oh, Penny's eating her nuts. You like those nuts, Penny? Hello, Penny.
Calling on President Macron to resign and to call legislative elections. Le Cornu was Macron's fifth prime minister. The French president's decision to call legislative elections in June of last year created three competing blocs in the National Assembly that have been simply unable to agree on a budget or a legislative programme. The trigger this time was that Le Cornu's cabinet did not include...
Do you enjoy your nuts?
...for the national rally. The prime minister, realising the government would not be supported even by some of his allies, decided to resign. French stocks and the euro declined sharply. Stands at nearly 100%.
Are you enjoying them, Penny? Do you like your nuts? Do you like those nuts?
Eurozone limit. Le Cornu's two predecessors, François Bayrou and Michel Barnier, were brought down by Parliament over efforts to rein in public spending at a time when ratings agencies and investors are watching closely. President Macron appears to be running out of options. Tony Connolly, RTE News, Brussels. RTE Radio on Weather with Tornado. Discover next generation comfort in your home with the new Tornado RTE heat pump. Think heating, think cool. Cloudy with outbreaks of rain and drizzle in the west and north, mainly dry elsewhere. Moderate to fresh southwest winds. Northwest temperatures between 15 and 19 degrees. RTE Radio 1 Traffic and Travel with all new, all electric Hyundai Ioniq 9. The 7-seater built for supreme comfort. Now at showrooms nationwide. The latest traffic remains. The economy is and it's slow with moving from the branches and to get back that stay up and well. Northbound has the usual delays from Junction 11 Tower through to Junction 7 Logan. In Waterford, meanwhile, a reminder that Cliff Road is in normal stop go system from small October 7 to the Celebrity Road. Finally, Limerick want to watch out for a stop road. It's kept on both sides from Courtback Avenue through to Shackenbridge roundabout.
Good girl, Penny. Hi, Penny.